Hello everyone and welcome to Salesforce Things. Today we're going to be talking through how to raise a case related to a customer. Cool, so let's say a customer called Harry Kangara has called in with a query related to his machine. The first thing I'm going to do is search for his name in the search bar at the top and then select to open the contact profile. Before raising a case, I just want to check over the account, so hover over the account to see the account status. This is to make sure that the customer isn't ineligible for service. Great, so now the account status has been verified as active. I'm going to hover over the quick links for cases and then select new to raise a case. On this new page, you can input the case information. You'll see that because I raised the case on the contact and not the account, it has automatically linked not just the account, but also the contact name as well. These are two mandatory fields. The first thing I've got to do is put in the asset. So I'm just going to navigate back to the account, which will raise a new page, and then hover over to see the assets the customer has. This query is related to the IS440 base, so I'm just going to copy and paste the serial number into the case. I click search, and here is the relevant asset to add there. Because I'm going to be working the case immediately, I'm going to change the status to working. Out of cancellation, complaint, feedback and support for case type, this is a customer support issue, and then there's a large list of customer case reasons that you can also add to the case. I suggest you read through these as there's always a case reason related to the customer query. In this case, it's a breakdown. Because the customer phoned in, the case origin is phone and not email, website, or by mail, and the priority is medium today. Web information fills automatically when the case has originated from a web form. And I'm just going to, in the subject, put a description of the case. And then in the description, put a more detailed explanation. You might also want to put your initials before the subject, just to make clear who has raised the case. Then I'm going to click Save. Well, there you have it. The case has now been created. You'll see the basic case details up in the left-hand side, the contact information below it, as well as any additional case information, again, on the left-hand side. This might be interesting if the customer is raising multiple cases relating to an asset. Here you have the basic core information of the case as well. In the feed, any activity will be recorded here, and again, more related objects on the right hand side. In future videos, we're going to be talking through how to best manage and assign cases. Thanks everyone for listening today. We'll be back with more videos soon.